In this video, we will demonstrate how to install an ATX motherboard into a mid-tower ATX case. The first step is to install the proper I/O shield into the case as seen here. It is especially important to use proper anti-static discharge measures when doing this procedure. Making sure that the screws will line up with the motherboard, position it carefully into the case. Line up the rear connectors with the holes in the I/O shield. Now proceed to put a screw into each hole, being careful not to completely tighten the screws yet. After all the screws have been initially inserted, line up the motherboard so it is square with the case, and then tighten each screw securely. You are now ready to install the processor, memory, expansion cards, and finish building the system.